Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on a 2019 Malibu. So once your Chevy Malibu look like this, doesn't matter if it's 2017 or 2020, once it look like this is gonna be the same way how to change your cabin air filter. And this video was requested by Stella Bella. So let's get started. So first you want to be on the passenger side, which I'm already on. So open the glove box and you will see this right here, this thing right here. You need to pull up on it. So as you see, I pull up on it, and what it do, it come to a bigger hole that it can come out of like that. So on the other side over here, this is what it look like. So you just want to hold it, pull up on it. Once you pull up on it, you can just take it out like that and it will come out like that. The next step is you're gonna have this that stop the glove box from coming all the way down. So you want to squeeze on this side, and you also have another one on this side. So you want to squeeze on this side. So you want to squeeze both sides, and the glove box will come all the way down. And then you're gonna have access to your air filter housing, which gonna be your air filter gonna be located right here behind this door right here. So you want to squeeze this side in right here and squeeze the other side also right here, and your door will fold down. So once it comes down like that, this side giving me some trouble, but just squeeze this side and bring it down past here, so you can squeeze it from there. Alright, so yeah, once that's done right there, as you can see, you can just hold your air filter and pull it out. So you just go ahead and pull it out. So as you can see, this one is dirty, so this one needs to be changed. But I wasn't planning on changing it. I was just doing it because of Stella Bella requested video, so I was just showing her how to change it. So this is it right here. You're gonna take it out, you're gonna get your new one. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and order a new one for this car, so this car can have a new one. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm gonna put back this one until the new one comes and I just take it out. So this will be your new filter wherever you buy it, on Amazon or at the auto parts store. You just go ahead and put it up. Make sure the airflow point down, like right here, just the same way you take it out. And you just take your time, push on each end until it goes all the way in. Then you go ahead and push this up, and you will hear it click on both sides. So you will hear it click on both sides like that, and wait for the car to pass. And once that click, you just go ahead and lift the glove box up, and that will lock it back into place. You come over here, you put it back through the bigger hole, which is gonna be at the top, and then you push it down and it will lock into place. And what that do is allow your glove box to open like this. So you see, it's like a shocks absorber or a dumper. It's like a dumper. So if I take it off and I open it, you see the glove box drop like that. if I add it on, it comes on like that. Alright, that's it, guys. Please like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel. Help me grow. Peace out. See you next time.